Hi, we're encouraging everyone to wear a black ribbon from January 1st, 2019 until the end of Black History Month and all subsequent. You know how breast cancer have a pink awareness ribbon? Well, we're asking you to wear a black one to not only commemorate the 400-year milestone, but also to raise awareness and show unity in the fight against racism and intolerance. So let me show you how to make them at home. You're going to need a ruler or something to measure with. In this case, I'm going to use a regular tape measure, scissors, safety pin or tacks, thumbtacks, okay, and of course the bat, and last but not least, ribbon. I got these from Fabricland, but you can get yours from any craft stores. To start, what you will do is that you measure 5.5 inches and cut. Of course, you don't have to be exact with the size, but 5.5 is a good size. Okay? You then take the cut ribbon and you fold it like you're making a plus. Now, where the two pieces intersect right in the middle, if you're using a pin, that's where you're going to pin. In my case, I'm using a tack, so I'm just going to push the tack through both pieces of fabric and apply the back to keep it secure. And voila, there you have it, a black ribbon, ready to be worn to commemorate the 400-year milestone and also to raise awareness and show unity in the fight against racism and intolerance.